G'day and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. Today we've had a great pleasure on working on the newest model Porsche Cayenne, where we've installed a Westfalia detachable, invisible when detached, removable quick release tow bar, and I'll present you how easy it is to detach it. As you can see, the tow bar is removed at the moment, and it is pretty much invisible when it's removed. You can see a couple of chain links to attach your chains for the D-shackles. If you want to attach the tow bar in, all you have to do, locate the hole, slide a gooseneck in its location, just like that. And if you want to use the wiring, you got to swivel it down from inside the bumper. This is a 13-pin fully integrated kit that's been fully coated with the Porsche Pewe's 3 diagnostics. If you're looking for a factory original Porsche solution for your tow bar, which is made in Germany, tow bar comes with lifetime warranty and the wiring is fully integrated and compatible with LED trailers, look no further than Australia Towbars Performance. Our friendly team is happy to help with your tow bar needs for your Porsche Cayenne or any other vehicle for the matter. Thank you for watching and have a great day.